orchid dendrobium variety. Generally, it used for the cut flower. It is a very popular variety in orchid. Actually, there are 3,000 varieties of orchid in the world that we find out. But this variety generally used for the cut flower. So it is very nice flower. See, you can see the stem of this flower. It is around 15 inch, and the number of flowers it's more than 7, 8. If you get long stem, sometimes the stem size more than 18 inch also. So this is quite nice, and we have providing technical support, and also we are doing in the turnkey basis. We are erecting the poly greenhouse. You can see the irrigation system and total this structure. This structure is called NVPGS, Natural Ventilated Poly Greenhouse Structure. And you can see the irrigation system. This is further, and we have also given a drip system inside the bench to control the temperature. So these are all simple technologies we have adopted to control the mainly temperature, and also how to maintain the humidity. So this polyhouse is just a small structure. It's a 2,500 square meter structure, but still we have planted 25,000 plants over here, and the farmer, the agri entrepreneur, we say more prestigiously, we say the agri entrepreneur. He has invested around 42 lakhs in this structure, and he is getting what he is here told to sir. He is getting around 1,30,000 rupees per month. This is not also not a peak season. In peak season, the revenue will be more.
Naturally, more.
Yes, the revenue will be more in the peak season.
It is beneficial only Odisha climate, and is there any further development required?
Yes, this is actually Odisha, basically tropical heavy climate. So it is naturally this variety is growing very well. So actually orchid grows very well mostly in coastal part of Odisha. Also same thing also we have adopted in also our western part of Odisha. We have started some projects in Sambalpur and other parts of Odisha also. So it's going